Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Shiraj and this is Android editing. In this video, we will make a social media poster and we will see some techniques that will help in making such posters. So this is basically the poster which we are going to make in this video. So this kind of techniques can be used especially when there is a solo character in the poster such as this. So let's jump into the tutorial part. Open the PixelLab application, delete this text layer, and then go to color and apply a white background color. Then go to image size and set the image size to 1080 into 1350, which is the basic or the standard Instagram post size. Then click on plus and from gallery select the player image or the character image. Then click on shapes and apply this shape, changing the color back to red. So for the red color, I will pick the red color from the character. Alright. Now I will rotate it and just place it somewhere like this, slightly adjusting the size and position. Alright, then copy this layer and go to 3D rotate and rotate it. Now I'll place it in such a way so that it looks like this. Now if you look carefully, you can see the shape looks like a lightning, or you can say a thunder lightning shape, which also means something which is very fast and something which is very powerful. So this shape somewhere reflects the personality or the quality of the player, which is in the image Cristiano Ronaldo. I'll simply merge these two layers so that I can get a single layer. Now slightly adjusting the size, rotating it and placing it properly. Then I'll send it to back and make a copy of the same layer. And then place the same layer on the top of it. Then go to strokes and turn on the strokes. Select the white color and set the stroke width to 1. Once again, click on the plus option. Click on shapes and increase the shape to make it a full screen, just like this, and then change the color to red, the same red color which we had. Alright, then click on the layer option and bring this shape layer just below the lightning layer. Then merge the top two layers. Then we will go to the erase color option and I will pick out the red color from it, which will remove the red color from the complete layer. That's it. Now increase the tolerance to adjust properly. And then once again go to the color option and apply the white color. So by doing this, we will get a white outline in the shape. And if you see carefully, then you can see that the shape, the white shape, actually it overlaps the player. And then you can slightly adjust the opacity if you want to decrease the opacity of the white layer, white outline layer. Then I'll simply lock all the layers so it doesn't move. Alright, then click on plus option and go to shapes. And just add a shape, something like this rectangle shape. And set the color to red. Okay, now we need to add some text layers in the poster. So select the text layer. So click on plus option and add a text to it. Obviously the player name Ronaldo. Apply black color. Yep, this is fine. And then I will apply a font to it, the Monument extended font. Link will be given in the description box. Now turn on the grid option from here and click on the grid setting option and then drag the grid and place it somewhere like this. And I'll remove the middle grid from here. Alright, now close the grid setting option. Okay, now first we will align the text to the right side, and then from the left side we will drag the text and align it towards the left side. Then simply copy that same text layer and change the color and place it. Then you can properly align all the text if you want using the position tool. Alright, then click on the layer option, select the 3 Ronaldo layers, and then click on this option, then here, and then move it upward. Now we need to add some more text to the poster to fill the empty spaces. So let me quickly add a text. Selecting the black color, and from the font option I will select a font, and I will give the link in description so you can download it from there. Okay, so just as the text layer, align the 07 layer too, and then send it to back. That's fine now. Okay, so now simply copy the text layer and I will add more text to it. I will speed up this process. And also I will change the font. Earlier it was Monument Extended Bold font, but now I will go with Monument Extended regular font. These are some basic steps like applying text and placing them properly, so you can just do that easily. Okay, now click on the grid option and click on grid settings. Select the grid and place it on the right side, just I did right now, and then close the grid setting and turn on the magnet one. And then you can easily place all the text layers one by one. It will automatically get aligned. So when you want to align some text in respect to one grid, then you can use the magnet sign that you have. Alright, so these are some text layer which we made on the right side. Simply merge all the layers. Make a copy of the same layer and place it on the right side. Again make a copy of the same layer, rotate it to 90 degrees and place it on top and bottom. Now if you see on the bottom, the layer is overlapping, so click on the layer, go to erase color option or eraser option and slightly erase it from the bottom. That's it. So now if you see the text is no longer overlapping, so that's it. You can take your time and properly align all the text layers. Okay, so now click on the plus option and from gallery add the image, the same player image. Place it properly, go to color filters and decrease the saturation to -100. And then you can adjust the contrast. Alright, then send this image to back and decrease the opacity to 10 or 5. 10 will be fine. Yeah. Then click on the plus option once again, and from gallery I will add a texture image. You can simply go to Google and search for texture images, or you can download the same texture from description. Decrease the opacity to 5 or 4 5. Copy the same layer, rotate it and place it on the bottom. Lock the layers and that's it. Then lock all the layers so that it doesn't move. Okay, now if I zoom the screen, you can see that there is a texture. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a slight texture on the entire poster right now. So that's what I wanted from it. Now you can add more text to it, you can add whatever you want, but make sure you do not overdo it, else it will look very compact. So keep that in mind. Right now I'm adding a text layer. I will increase the spacing of this layer to make it look different, or to make it stand out. That's it. Then you can just save the image. So that was all for this video. I hope you have learned something new from this video. Make sure you drop a like and comment down anything, and also share the video with your friends who wants to make such posters. With that being said, let's end of the video. Stay safe and keep creating.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way.